Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add high quality images to Shopify products. Why would you want to know how to add high quality images to Shopify products? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to add high quality images to Shopify products. So today I'm going to show you how to add high quality images to Shopify products. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding high quality images to Shopify products is quite simple and easy to do. For this, first of all open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons on left corner. Click on products. Select a product you want to add high quality image. Scroll down. From here in media section, click on add. Select a high quality image and then click on save. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add high quality images to Shopify products, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.